I will show you a video that I have created completely using AI, that too for free. First, let's watch the video. This short film or short movie is completely made using artificial intelligence and completely for free. So I have used Gemini to create this complete video, and I used Gemini's image creator Nano Banana to create characters, and finally I used Google's VEO3 to generate the clips that you have seen so far. Firstly, like, I will show you how I have created this entire short film in less than 30 minutes. First thing that I did was, so I need some characters. Like, this is my idea, this is my story, you have seen, right? So two people should appear on the video. First one is an adult that you have seen, and second one is a child. So these are the two characters that I need, and the maximum duration of a video that I can create using VO3 is 8 seconds. And there are other platforms like Sora where you can get 5 seconds or to 10 seconds videos, but I'm using Google VO3, so 8 seconds is a maximum. And like, here for the script I have used ChatGPT, but you can use Gemini as well. Let's do completely on Gemini, like it is possible. So I have given my entire script here. So I said I want to create a 24-second ad video using AI about a message. Like, I have typed my message, and for that, first thing is I need two character references. Then I can generate those images, and I can give that to video prompt, so that the video creator uses that a particular character. So it gave me some ideas for me. 35-year male would be appropriate, and 8 to 10-year-old boy would be appropriate for this. So I have asked prompts for the two characters. First one is the adult male prompt, and second one is a child character prompt. Then, like, I opened Google's Nano Banana. I have just pasted my prompt here, and it gave me this character. Then, like, I have pasted the boy's prompt here, and it gave me this character. Then what I did was I just pasted each prompt. Like, later I have asked, now I want to divide my video into three different scenes, because the maximum duration that VO3 can give is 8 seconds. So I have divided that into three different scenes. The first scene, I have just copied it and pasted in VO3. The same followed for 2 and 3. Yeah, this is like the video prompt. So I have uploaded the image that I have just created using Nano Banana, and I have written the prompt, and it gave me the video. I have followed the same with the boy and the other videos as well. So in this way, I have using VO3. Yeah, this is how I have created the entire short movie using Google's VO3 and Nano Banana combined. So you can literally make money by doing this in lot of ways. You can either create ads for brands in your locality, or in social media you will find many brands. You can create ads like these, or you can create movies like this and show them that you are capable of doing these kind of ads, so that, like, you will get some projects. And the other way is you can create some content, like some short films kind of content, and you can upload them on social media, so that you can monetize them in other ways possible. So these are all the ways that you can utilize to monetize your AI created videos. I hope you find this video helpful. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such amazing regular AI content. Thank you for watching.